everybody, it's Chris Bigelow here again. I just wanted to go ahead and go over some basic search engine optimization techniques using the WordPress content management system. Basically, we're going to go in and edit a couple of pages to get some better search engine listings within Google and Bing and some of the other large search portals. So the more that we increase the relevance of pages and target certain keywords, the better listings that we'll gain in the search engines. So we're going to go ahead today in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and edit this particular page here. We've got a page for large module bounce house. It's a bounce house company that provides bounce houses for parties and things of that nature. And for this particular page, we're going to want to target the Bradenton, Sarasota, Florida area for this particular business. So this particular page, we're wanting to gain listings under the searches for module bounce house or bounce houses in the Bradenton, Sarasota, Florida area. So in order to optimize this page, we want our keywords and titles and description, meta tags, all of those things to be as optimized as possible for those particular searches. So when someone makes a search in the search engines, we show up where we want to be. We'll see here when we come up to the pages, we have the option of adding a particular page title, description, and keywords. So we've customized this particular site so it allows for that. There's some plugins you can use to actually enhance the search engine optimization abilities of WordPress. So we're going to go down here to this particular page that we're talking about and go into the edit mode. And then we're going to scroll down to a little further here and see that we've added this particular SEO plugin. This one's called Headspace that we've added to this website. You'll see under page title, we currently have a page title, but we don't have a description or keywords. It's really good to have a title, description, and keywords that are all relevant to the content of your particular page that you're trying to optimize. So this particular page, we're targeting bounce house searches in the Sarasota, Florida, and Bradenton, Florida area. So what might be a great way to add some relevance to this page would be to enhance the page title to include some of the geographic areas in the page title, and then also adding the geographic area description in the description and in the keywords would also be helpful. And having keywords, that would also be very helpful for each page. So if we were to take this page, for example, and in our title we currently have large module bounce house, but if we were to go ahead and perhaps add a break and then add Bradenton, Florida bounce house, Sarasota, Florida bounce house. So now that's going to go ahead and add the geographic locations into our page title and increase our relevance. In the description, we could do something very similar. Large module bounce house for rent in Bradenton, and I guess we could do Bradenton, Sarasota, Florida. Great for children's parties. So we're going to go ahead and put that, and then we're going to go ahead and add some keywords. So for this particular page, we'll go ahead and use these that we have up here. So we'll do bounce house first, then large module bounce house, then Bradenton, Florida bounce house, and Sarasota, Florida bounce house. So now you can see we've got a much more relevant bit of information about our page, and this is going to give us a much more targeted result in the search engines. So we've added some keywords here into our main title. We've added some of those relevant words into this description, and you can also see that we've added now our keywords. So we'll go ahead and we'll go up here and we'll hit update page, and now those particular keywords and bits of information will be available in this page. So I'm going to go ahead and reload this page, And then if you were to right click and hit view page source, you'll be able to go in here and see those tags that have shown up. So now you'll see our title up here. Our title is now the way we added it. It reads just the way we want it to read. And if we go down here, we'll see our meta description and keyword tags now have been added into the code. So what'll happen is Google and Bing and all the other search engines, when their spiders come to index this page, they're going to go ahead and read those bits of information about this page and then provide a listing in their search engines based on the relevance of what you just entered. That's pretty much it. That's the basics of optimizing a page to be listed in the search engines using the WordPress content management system. Thanks a lot. This is Chris Bigelow. I'll talk to you again soon.